Every day we get a little bit closer to summer. I make more power. Got, what is that? 47 kilowatt hours between the two. And we're still producing. Might make 48 kilowatt hours today. Be pretty good. And we're not even fully charged, which is crazy. Wow. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. How's it going, guys? It's going off grid. We got a stormy day. It's not too badly stormy. It's just heavy downpours, sun, heavy downpours. The batteries are fully charged. I gotta close that door. It's blowing in the wind. Main system's fully charged. Work system's fully charged. House system's fully charged. The tiny little auxiliary system that I'm playing with is fully charged. And today we're making a video in the work tent. Got the lawnmower out. Does not poop. It's a squished apple. We got apple trees here. We were charging this AGM battery here. The mouse made a home of this thing for the winter. Got it charging with this El Cheapo Amazon charger. It's actually pretty good for 10 bucks. Honestly, it's not a bad little charger. It's not great, it's not bad. This is where I normally charge my my Nissan Leaf. I also have a charger in the house. We're also charging my electric bike, my Ultra Ghetto electric bike. This is half of a hybrid battery out of I believe it was a Honda something hybrid. I can't remember. Anyways, I believe this is 500 watt hours. Yeah, that's what it was. It's 500 watt hours. I got two of these. Put one on the bike. It works awesome. 66 volts, just like the rest of my system. I might add the other one to my system. We'll see. Just get an extra 500 watt hours, and let's charge this thing. Ooh, we're sitting at 46 volts. That's pretty low. I knew it was low. Yeah, I'm gonna go shut this thing. Way too noisy. There we go. It's a little bit better. Not a lot. Alright. So, we're charging fairly quickly. You can see we are charging at 1.5 amps. Yeah, it was because it was very dead. I could watch it when I lose my first, because this was actually a 60 volt max charge, and I'm running 66 volts through it. I'm a little bit over volting it, but if I lose this top bar, it means I'm dead. I need to go charge immediately. The second it goes from high to 3/4, I'm actually completely dead. So that's the way I use it. I bought this bike for 300 bucks. It's a pretty nice bike. It's well used. The guy that used this before me put a ton of kilometers on this thing. It's 500 watts. I took my little boy for a ride. I took my little girl for a ride. And I noticed it actually went down to 2 bars, so I kind of was naughty and I used a little bit more power than I should have. But we're using this boost converter, and we're boosting from 19.5 volts from that laptop power supply, which is just plugged into my Ghetto Power in here that I just extension cords, and we're boosting it up to, well, all the way up to 65.8 volts. That's what I'm charging this battery to. We got the BMS under here with plastic covering it, just because I don't want the water from the wheel coming up and hitting it, so I just threw up that little piece of plastic on there. It works all right. Anyways, that's what I've been up to. And the electric car, oh, that's another thing. The electric car is fully charged. Everything's just fully charged today. I'm doing pretty good. I'm pretty happy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys stay healthy and are avoiding people right now. And God bless. Thought I'd give you a little shot of the lawnmower here with the charger on it. It's only a 1.2 amp charger, so it's nice and low. It's a 35 amp hour AGM battery. This is the second time. Okay, so what happens is this lawnmower doesn't actually have a key. The key's been lost, so I use the smallest key on my key ring to start it, and it works. But what happens is after you start it, you pull the key out, and then if you want to shut it down, all you do is you lift your bum off the thing and it shuts down, but you got to remember to turn the key back off. And I'm not the only one that uses this thing. My wife uses it, and my father-in-law uses it, and everybody knows that to shut it off, you just lift your bum, it shuts off. Or there's many ways you can shut it off. When the lawnmower deck is on, if you go in reverse, it shuts off. There's many ways. It's just the key is not there. Well, when they put it away, it could have been me, it could have been, I don't know who did it, honestly. It probably was me. But this is the second year we've killed this thing completely, and it's been dead all winter. So it's been dead for, I don't know, 4 months. And last year, I just charged it and it came right back because it's a fantastic battery. It's a high quality battery. It was like $130. And we'll see if we can do that again this year. It looks like, honestly, it looks like it's coming back because 1.2 amps, if it had a shorted cell, would not be sitting at 11.75 volts. And on top of that, if this was completely shot, this would be sitting at, it would just immediately go up to a high voltage. So this looks like it's going to come back. It is an abused battery, but it seems to be working just fine. And that's where lead acids, this is where you can bring your lead acid back. If it's not old and you've just abused it too much, you let it sit dead for a long period of time, you can bring it back. It might not have a lot of capacity, but it'll probably be enough to start this lawnmower. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.